Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In last video, we have covered total 14 formulas, standard results related to the derivatives. In today's video, we are going to proceed with composite function. Okay. So what is basically composite function? It is nothing but the chain rule. Okay. You need to remember composite function is also known as chain rule. So under composite function, we have to study 13 important formulas. We need to study 13 important formulas. Okay. So what I did, I have divided the 13 formulas into 3 different videos. So in today's video, we are going to cover first 5 composite function related formulas. So what is the first formula? If y is given f of x raised to n. Already we had studied what is x raised to n. If you need to calculate derivatives of x raised to n is given by n into x raised to n minus 1. But if it is a composite function, so how you are going to find out the derivatives of the composite function if it is f of x raised to n? Simply you need to write down n into f of x raised to n minus 1, and then again you need to take the derivatives of f of x, which is given by f dash of x. F dash of x is represented by derivatives of x with respect to that function. So simply you need to remember, if you need to take the derivatives of the composite function, the first you need to apply the standard result, and again you have to check what would be the derivatives of the f of x. So what is the formula? N into f of x raised to n minus 1 into derivatives of f of x, that is f dash of x. I hope you have understood the first composite formula, that is f of x raised to n. Coming to the second formula, what is given? Root of x. If it is a normal derivatives function, root of x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Now if I am talking about the composite function, so what we need to do? We have to take the derivatives of root f of x as 1 upon 2 root f of x, and as I said, again you need to take the derivatives of this function, that is f of x, which is nothing but equal to f dash of x. Okay. The third formula is, if you need to take the derivatives of sine f of x, so the sine f of x derivatives is cos f of x, and then whatever left out, then you need to take the derivatives of this particular function, that is f dash of x. Coming to the fourth important formula for the cos, what is the derivatives of cos? As you know that it is minus sine. So as for the composite function, again you need to take the derivatives of f of x, that is f dash of x. The fifth important formula related to the composite function is log of f of x is equal to 1 upon f of x into derivatives of f dash of x. So under composite function, you need to identify what is f of x. With the help of f of x, you need to apply the standard result based on the composite function. So to understand this composite function, let's consider few examples. So coming to the first example, what is given? Y is equal to x square whole raised to 3. Okay. So now you need to check whether which formula you are going to apply. So we need to apply f of x raised to n. Am I right? So what is basically f of x in this case? So f of x is equal to x square. So let's consider solution 1. As I told you, you need to identify what is f of x from the composite function. So in this particular question, f of x is equal to x square. Am I right? So this is nothing but equal to y is equal to f of x is equal to x square. Now next is what? If you need to take the derivatives of this function with respect to x, so what you will get? Dy by dx is equal to n into f of x raised to n minus 1. So as f of x is equal to x square, so what is the value of n. If you are going to equate with the standard question or the given question, so n is equal to 3. So simply you need to write 3 into what is f of x? F of x is equal to x square raised to n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 into derivatives of what we need to do? We have to take the derivatives of f of x, as f of x is x square. So what is the derivatives of x square? Which is nothing but equal to 2x. So what you will get? 3 into x raised to 4 into 2x. The final answer is 6x raised to 5. I hope you have understood how to apply first formula based on composite function. As per the standard result, f of x raised to n is equal to n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into derivatives of that particular function with respect to x, that is f dash of x. I hope you have understood solution 1. Now coming to the second question, what is given? Y is equal to under root of x square plus 5. Solution 2. We need to find out the solution for second question. Y is equal to under root of x square plus 5. Now you need to check which formula you are going to apply. You are going to apply formula number 2. So if you need to calculate the derivatives of under root of f of x, which is given by 1 upon 2 under root of f of x into derivatives of that particular function, that is f dash of x. Similarly, if I ask you what is f of x in this case, so simply f of x is equal to x square plus 5. Now with the help of the standard result, we have to find out what is derivatives of y with respect to x, which is equal to 1 upon 2 under root of f of x, but in this case f of x is nothing but equal to x square plus 5 into derivatives of this particular term, that is f of x. So what is the derivatives of this? Can I write 1 upon 2 under root of x square plus 5 into 2x plus 0. As you know that the derivatives of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. After applying that derivatives, you will get 2x plus derivatives of phi is, as phi is a constant term, so derivatives of phi is equal to 0. I hope you have understood solution number 2. Coming to the third part, that is the solution for third question. What is given? We need to calculate derivatives of given function with respect to x. Okay, so y is equal to sine of log x. As I said, we need to find out the derivatives of this particular function with respect to x. So we have a standard composite formula for sine of f of x. So what is sine of f of x? Which is given by cos f of x into derivatives of f of x, that is f dash of x. So could you identify what is f of x from this particular question? F of x is equal to log x. After taking dy by dx, that is derivatives of this function with respect to x, as per the standard result is cos log x into derivatives of f of x, that is log x. So as you know that the derivatives of log x is given by 1 upon x. What is the derivatives of log x? It is 1 upon x. The final answer is 1 upon x into cos log x. I hope you have understood how to apply the formula sine of f of x in the question. So coming to the question number 4, what is given? y is equal to cos 2x. Okay, already now we have applied sine function. Now we need to talk about cos function. So how you are going to take the derivatives of the given function if it is cos? So if you need to calculate derivatives of cos f of x is given by minus sine f of x into derivatives of f of x. So similarly, if you need to calculate dy by dx is equal to minus sine 2x into derivatives of f of x. F of x in this case is 2x. So derivatives of 2x is always equal to 2. So the final answer is minus 2 sine 2x. I hope you have understood how to apply composite function in the question. Coming to the last solution, that is solution number 5. What is given? Y is equal to log of x square plus 4. So as per the last result, log of f of x is given by f dash of x into derivatives of f of x, that is f dash of x. What is this? Log of f of x is equal to 1 upon f of x into derivatives of that function. So here first you need to find out what is f of x. So the given f of x is x square plus 4. As per the formula, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon f of x into derivatives of f of x, which is nothing but equal to x square plus 4. So after taking the differentiation, you will be getting 2x plus 0. So the final answer is 2x upon x square plus 4. I hope you have understood first 5 standard results related to composite function. In next video, we'll learn next 4 results. As I told you, I have divided entire 13 formulas into 3 videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Good day.